How your business is getting website traffic has changed. So it used to be to where you made sure you were inside of Google, you were good to go. A lot of marketers forgot and didn't do a lot with Bing. They didn't do a lot with Yahoo or any of the other search engines, but they focused just on Google. Well, Google has made some major changes to how it works in how it is delivering information. It now has an AI overview. And their whole entire concept is to be able to keep you inside of that search engine versus sending you to the website. So you can either be an authority and you can be able to build that trust up by their AI looking at you as being someone that is a top dog inside of that, whatever niche you're inside of. Doesn't matter if you're a chiropractor, if you're a landscaper, I can't talk today, a landscaper, or if you are, do something else for that's out there. I mean, there's thousands of different industries, and this is where we keep this uncut and unraw because I'll get tongue twisted like that all the time. But what ends up happening with Google is they end up delivering this piece of an AI overview for your business. What that's going to do to help you is if you are an authoritative place, because inside of marketing you have three different pillars. You have content, you have authority, you have trust. And that AI piece really depends on that, which also depends on your website having the right structure, having the right schema on side of it, making sure that you're doing blog updates, making sure that you're doing all of these things to be able to put information out there. AI has made it simpler for you to be able to do that, but what the search engines aren't looking for is just mass-produced amount of content inside of that came from AI inside of your blog. And I see a lot of business owners are going down that road, and if you are wanting to solve your problem for not showing up inside of that search result and you want to be able to build content, authority, and trust, you're going to have to make that about yourself. You are going to have to make yourself stand out, and you're going to have that blog written inside of natural language. There's a few ways you can do this. You can ask ChatGPT, you can ask Claude, you can ask Grok, you can ask any of them, hey, can you write this in my language? If you've done all the work and done it to be able to train them to be able to do it, it will actually do it. It does a pretty good job. The best way I've found to be able to do it is you record a video like this, you talk inside of the video, it doesn't matter, it's unedited, it's raw. I think that is the best way you can ever do video out there. And you do that at the very top. You create that video. And from that video, you're going to have multiple different pieces of content. You're going to be able to create your blog. And because you're going to be able to pull a transcript from YouTube to be able to put that in, now you have a transcript. You have a table of contents and everything else for how that blog's going to be wrote out. You can write social media from that. You can write email marketing from it. You can do so many different things because in the world of marketing, you have all this stuff and it has to be able to connect together. And if you're not doing each of those pieces, which it sounds like a lot of work, but it's really not, you can knock this out in probably 2 hours or less using Simply Be Found's tools to be able to bring it all in one spot. In our coaching, we work with business owners all the time to be able to make that happen. And then they can sit down, they record some videos throughout the week, they put it all together, and wham, bam, they have a great website, they have great content, they're building authority, they're building trust, and they're able to be able to take themselves to that next level. Now, why can they do that? Because they're following a system that can make that to where it makes it super simple. Now, do you have to be a member to be able to do it? No. You can record that video and do everything I just said, and that's going to create that content, and which is going to then give content for Google to be able to see, or whatever search engine you're looking at, to where it knows what it is talking about. I see a lot of businesses coming in, getting found inside of AI, and how AI is able to communicate and talk back and forth, and what it can do to be able to really help your business grow to that next level. I mean, people are holding conversations now with searches, and with the world of voice and how everything happens for voice. I mean, it took voice search to a whole new level and brought a whole conversational piece. So the world has changed for the way people are finding it. The world has changed for how people are searching for your business and how people are interacting with your business, with or without you. So you have to be able to take all that into consideration if you want to stand out and you want to be able to be found inside of the ecosystem of search, no matter which search you're talking about. This could be voice search, this could be AI search, this could be local search, this could be just on your desktop making a search. We're interacting with that data a lot differently than what we did 9 months ago, even 5 years ago. So it's one of those things to where your business has to adapt to be able to survive and thrive. If you like seeing videos like this and these are helpful for you and kind of brings any kind of value, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Inside of the comments, make sure you tell us about your business and what you're looking for. Come chat with us at simplybefound.com, where you're going to be able to chat with myself or the other co-founder of Simply Be Found, Dean, and we can help you be able to take your business to that next level. We look forward to chatting with you and look forward to working with you. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thanks and have a great day.